Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain grammar nouns. When we are talking about nouns, it's important to mention about categories of nouns, such as common nouns, proper nouns, concrete nouns, abstract, collective, countable and uncountable nouns. Let's distinguish common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns, the words that refer to most general things like country, evening, puppy, umbrella, table. Let's give some examples. Cassie loves the weekends in the country. The cup fell and broke. Weekend, country, cup are the common nouns. And what are the proper nouns? Proper nouns name that identifies someone or something, a person or a place. For example, proper nouns: Mary, Tom, Aunt Andrew, Honda, Shimkent, and so on. Emily loved spending time with her Aunt Nancy in Paris. In this sentence, Emily, Nancy, Paris are proper nouns. The next example, we visited Lake Erie, which separates the United States and Canada. Erie, United States, and Canada are proper nouns also. Let's differ concrete nouns, abstract, and collective nouns. Concrete nouns is a thing that is real, you can touch, see, taste, feel, and hear. For example, pig, person, rock, smell, air, soup, library. All of these concrete nouns. For example, the person threw the rock across the yard. In this sentence, person, rock, yard are concrete nouns. My dog Oreo jumped in the air and caught the ball. My dog Oreo, air, ball, concrete nouns also. Can you smell the soup, John? Soup and John also are concrete nouns in this sentence. The next, let's talk about abstract nouns. Abstract noun is a thing that is more like a concrete or idea. You can't see, taste, touch, smell, or hear abstract nouns. For example, abstract nouns: love, democracy, friendship, beauty, knowledge. Love and friendship are equally important. Love and friendship in this sentence are abstract nouns. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Beauty also abstract noun. Your mind can know a million things. Mind, abstract noun. Let's talk about collective nouns. Refer to a group of people or things. It can be either single or plural. For example, let's give examples of collective nouns like government, audience, team, bunch, family, class. All of these like a group of people or things. The team threw confetti when it was over. Team and confetti also collective nouns. Steve buys the band some sandwiches. Band is collective noun in this sentence. Mary told the class she was getting married. Class, it's a group of students, also collective noun. Let's practice, dear students. In this task, you have to choose the correct collective noun. For example, the first sentence: after the performance, all the actors join hands and bow toward the audience. A, performance; B, actors; C, audience. Which one is collective noun? Yes, C, audience, it's collective noun. It's correct. You have 2 minutes. Choose the correct collective nouns. Task 2. Choose the correct answer. The first sentence: the book was lying on the table. Book is a common noun, collective or proper noun. Which one is correct answer? Yes, book is a common noun. Dear students, you have 2 minutes to complete this task. Choosing the correct answer, choose the appropriate type of noun. In this slide, I am going to show the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. Countable noun is a thing, can be numbered or counted like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? For example, pen, book, dog, teacher, 2 pens, 3 socks, 100 dogs. It's countable noun. Let's give example. There are 5 dogs in the street. Dogs, it's countable noun because we can count. For example, 5 dogs. The next sentence. I bought 3 tons of coal. Tons, also countable noun. Margaret has 6 pairs of blue sandals. Pairs, sandals, also we can count. And in these sentences, they use the plural of nouns, yeah? The next, uncountable noun. Can have a quantity or amount, but cannot be actually counted. We cannot count. These uncountable nouns are water, music, clothes, hate, confidence, attractiveness, wisdom. All of these uncountable nouns. Let's give some examples. Love is in the air. Love is an uncountable noun. The 4 elements are air, earth, fire, and water. Air, earth, fire, water are also uncountable nouns. I have bread and butter for breakfast. Bread and butter also uncountable nouns which we cannot count. In this slide, we also continue talking about countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are a car, a man, a key, a house, a flower. You can use 1, 2, 3 plus countable nouns. You can count them. Countable nouns can be singular, 1, and plural, 2 and more. I have got a car. There aren't many cars in the park. Uncountable nouns, water, air, rice, salt, plastic, money, music. You cannot say 1, 2, 3 plus these things like 1 water, 2 music. It's not correct. Uncountable nouns have only one form. Money, the money, my money, but we cannot say monies. It's not correct. I've got some money. There isn't much money in the box. We cannot use an plus uncountable noun. A money, a music. It's not correct. But you can say a piece of, a glass of, and so on plus uncountable noun. For example, a glass of water, a piece of paper, a bowl of rice, a can of oil, a bottle of milk, a cup of coffee, a bar of chocolate, a piece of music, a game of tennis. We use such measurable words with the uncountable nouns. Let's practice, dear students. What are these things? Some of these things are countable, some are uncountable. You can write an if necessary. For example, it's salt. Is it countable or uncountable? Yes, it's uncountable. It's a cup. Is it countable or uncountable? It's countable. You are correct. Because we use article a and we use only with countable nouns. Yes. What is this? Milk. Yes. Is it countable or uncountable? It's uncountable. So you have 2 minutes to complete this task, to write, to fill in the gaps with the words in bold. Next exercise, next task, you must write a and of for the words in the box. For example, a bottle of milk. One more example, a cup of tea. Like this, you must complete this exercise, and you have 3 minutes to complete. What are you going to write, dear students? Write a and of and the words from the box. And how many minutes do you have? 3 minutes. Please go on.